In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy hosting from Hostinger and host your website on their platform. First things first, start by opening your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Start Now button and give it a click. This takes you to a page where you need to select a hosting plan. Hostinger offers a range of plans to suit different needs, so take a moment to compare the features. When you've decided which plan works best for you, click on Choose Plan. Now, it's time to make an important decision on the billing cycle. Typically, the longer-term plans offer better value for money. Choose the subscription length that fits your budget and your future goals. Next up is the billing information. There's a form for your contact details, so fill this out carefully with your name, address, and other required info. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues later. The next step is to select your preferred payment method. Hostinger provides a variety of payment options like credit card or PayPal to make it convenient for you. Once you've picked the method you're most comfortable with, go ahead and submit your payment. After the payment, you'll be directed to the Hostinger Control Panel or H Panel. It's your hub for managing your hosting services. Here you'll be asked to identify who the website is for. Whether it's for personal use or a client, select the option that suits your scenario. Now it's time to decide if you're creating a new website or migrating an existing one to Hostinger. If you're creating a new site, consider what platform you want to build it on. Hostinger supports multiple platforms, so choose the one you're comfortable with. Now every website needs a unique domain name. Hostinger often includes a free domain with certain hosting plans. Search for an available domain that represents your brand or project. And once you've found the perfect one, proceed to the next step. If you're still unsure, they have tools to help you brainstorm ideas. After selecting your domain, you're ready to start building your site. Hostinger offers customization tools, even incorporating AI to help design your site. You can create layouts, edit colors, modify text, and add various elements. The tools are intuitive, making it easy for beginners and experts alike to create a professional-looking website. The final step involves connecting your website to the chosen domain. Follow the straightforward instructions Hostinger provides to ensure your site is live and accessible. Once everything looks great, advance to the next step and continue until you're ready to publish your site. With your site now live, you're all set. Hostinger makes the entire process streamlined and user-friendly. Enjoy your new website and the versatility Hostinger hosting provides. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!